The great thing about involving BIM was that it demonstrated to the client that we had great capability, we had another dimension of innovation available within the company. To be able to show them a 3D product was really very powerful. The client was very impressed with the output we were producing. A lot of clients have heard about BIM and they know a little bit about it, and the fact that we can demonstrate that we've done a lot of things that the other people are just talking about is really quite powerful, and I think has won us quite a lot of work.
The big challenge on Victoria Station upgrade was the spatial constraints and also sharing information across a diverse project team.
The main challenges were to ensure that each project participant within the design team had access to the right information and the most up-to-date information.
One of the biggest benefits of BIM is the improvement in health and safety, and this is often understated. So we've used the BIM model for CDM reviews. There's a facility for the contractor to use either the model or construction sequences from the model for his site inductions, and that's particularly valuable. So the guys on site are actually going to build the work, are informed of why they're doing the work, the health and safety risks, and also it's motivational for them to understand how their piece of the work fits the jigsaw.
You can see how the whole thing fits together, and you can see exactly whether it does the job you want it to do.
This methodology allows us to understand what's there and to work with different permutations of different layouts and find the optimum.
All of the information that we produce now, as it goes through the design stage, through to the as-built, and it's finally recorded when the project's complete. In the future, 20, 30 years, when the site gets redeveloped perhaps, the engineers at the time can assess this information and be able to fine-tune their design to suit what we had at the time now.
When we won the airport project, we delivered that using BIM. Some of the local people actually put their hand up and were interested in working on that particular project. And now there's a group of them that don't want to do 2D drawings, they want to stay with BIM. And that's fantastic for us.
BIM execution plan is a really important thing to have. The important thing is the actual planning that goes into it. It dramatically reduces the risk on the project. BIM is a really great enabler of DFMA, that's designed for manufacture and assembly. It enables the designs to be done in the first place, but also the whole sequencing logistics to be modelled, so that you can be absolutely sure when those components come to site that they actually fit together. I think a key point with regard to getting value from BIM is about the number of times that the model gets used. And if the investment has gone into generating the model in the first place, the more times it can be used, the more value you get from it.
We have an opportunity right now where we're doing a prototype with a major water client in the US. They're interested in delivery time and optimizing cash and reducing risk, and it's an effective tool to do all of that. All of our clients will be moving that way for sure. There's just too much benefit in the pipeline.
Because both power and oil and gas sector are global sectors, and we can use the same concept in Nigeria, then transfer that concept into India or Southeast Asia. Some sectors are a little bit more advanced than other sectors, but we have the network and the systems in place how we can take knowledge learned from one sector into another sector. And that to me is almost the strength of MacDonald.
We at MacDonald are all driven by what our customers want, and our customers want efficiency and good value.
Clients want, of course, more for less. They also want their projects completed on time, to budget and at the right quality. And BIM is a really excellent tool to enable us to provide those key things that clients are looking for.
BIM is going to drive the construction and the asset management business into the future, and we want to be part of that future. In the long term, it's just going to be how we do business. All people who are in this business will do business this way.